Thank you for clicking, and welcome to my quick version of social pathology video. This time I would like to discuss how to catch your reservation with the Tokyo, Osaka mass vaccination centers for sure. This is Dr. Samurai, and I would like to tell you the key points of how you can make it 100% and catching your own reservation online and such swarming reservation situation. First, you go to 自衛隊大規模接種センター概要予約サイト案内. Then you scroll down. There are two windows. 東京センターで予約する、大阪センターで予約する. This time, let's click 東京センターで予約する. Okay, and you come to Face Orange website. You scroll all the way down, and in the bottom you have a box into which you're supposed to put 市町村コード and 接種券番号 and your 生年月日. You put your information before they open the market, which is usually 6 p.m. So you insert your information like 10 to 15 minutes earlier, and you just click the very bottom orange bar that says proceed to the next. Okay, and you must leave it that way. Okay, and the site says in red letters that this site will change into a reservation site. So even after 6 p.m. came, you wait. In my case, I see a change about 10 to 15 minutes after 6:15 or so. It suddenly says, please put your personal information again. So you go back to your city code, coupon number, and DOB. So you put your information again and you click. And this is the point. You ignore everything and look for check the reservation calendar. Okay? You click it and you get to the calendar, and out of those usually 7 days or so, which day of the week is open. And this is the catch. Okay? Ignore the first half of the day of the week. You better go for like Thursday and Friday. The later you go, the more availabilities you have. I repeat, the later of the week you go, the more availability you have. So if you really want to make it, you go to the last day and last time slot, which has most number of availabilities. In my case, it had like 150, okay? And you click and make a reservation, and then you must go to the confirmation site. That is the end. And one more thing is, if you are married and you are looking for your husband or wife's reservation too, you can go back to the city code site and insert the information and do the same thing again. Hit the reservation calendar, you go to the very end, you still have availabilities. Make sure after you made the reservation, proceed to the confirmation site. Otherwise, it was not confirmed. Some advice will be, you should in advance put your city code, coupon number, and date of birth on the word page so that you can copy and paste it when required. You hit in each number, it takes time, and you may be out of availability. So you already keep your personal information typed out on the word page. Okay, the most important point is, after you put those 3 pieces of information, you click to forward to next page and wait there before it opens. You just stay on. Okay, people who fail to make a reservation is they put the information when the time comes. No, you only put the information in advance and click and forward to the next page and stay on, because that site is going to change into a different site, notifying, go back to put your personal information again. That's the real reservation start. And then forget about everything and get right down to the calendar and latter half and last slots of the calendar, just to make sure, okay? And you make a reservation, you go to the confirmation site, and if you need reservation for others, you may be able to keep another site open at the same time. That way you can get to that city code, coupon number, and DOB page right away, because it is already open. You copy and paste from the Word page and do the same thing again. You may not be able to get the same time slot, but you can get the slot pretty much like a next slot to the first reservation. You get it? So I like to say you must wait on the page next to the city code page. Stay there 10 minutes before until like 6:15 or so, okay? It says go back and put your information again. You copy and paste it, go back, get to the calendar, get to the latter half, and get the last slot, okay? And make a confirmation, all right? And it would be better that you call the self-defense force for confirmation, just to make sure. In my case, I used English phone number so that I can avoid the swarming phone calls. That's pretty much it. I shared this information with you because I failed 2 times too, and I don't want you to become a vaccination refuge, which I could have been if I didn't come up with this special ticket. So just try that and get your reservation. Make sure you keep your mask on, and you better put the coffee filter according to Stanford University, because that is made to block very fine things. This is it. I really wish you good luck and be safe, my friend, wherever you are on this planet Earth. Bye-bye now.